Recovering deleted messages on Zomato can be challenging, but there are a few steps you can take to attempt to retrieve them. Follow this guide for a systematic approach. Step 1. Check archived messages. Open the Zomato app and navigate to your messages. Look for any archived conversations, as sometimes messages may be moved there instead of being permanently deleted. Step 2. Contact Zomato support. If you cannot find the messages in the archived section, reach out to Zomato's customer support. Provide them with details about the messages you are trying to recover, and they may assist you in retrieving them. Step 3. Check email notifications. Review your email for any notifications on messages from Zomato. If you had email notifications enabled, you might find copies of important messages in your inbox. Step 4. Update the app. Ensure that your Zomato app is updated to the latest version. Sometimes, updates can fix bugs or glitches that may affect message visibility. Step 5. Backup and restore. If you regularly back up your phone, consider restoring your device from a backup that was created before the messages were deleted. This may help recover lost data, including messages. If these steps do not yield results, it may be difficult to recover deleted messages. Always remember to regularly back up important conversations in the future.